Haven't done a single thing other than take the car apart. Yeah, custom fabricated.
That was a lot of fun. How's it?
Hello dogs. Hello. Hello. Oh, did you miss me?
Well. Isn't this an ironic sight?
Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. When last have you seen this prawn?
It's probably minutes.
Yeah. What's the story, Morning Glory?
More powers.
More powers.
Clutch
said no. Dude, do you have a shirt for me? I'm wearing the worst clothes to be working on my car.
Which for a stock cab is like hundreds. It's got lots of life left.
Can I have this? Can we put it in my
We can put it in. Look at this thing move. It's like carbon fiber, the whole thing.
Unsprung for the wind. You're
Unsprung.
gonna enjoy traffic. Like,
Yeah, but I don't drive in traffic.
Alrighty guys, so I'm here today to knock yet another thing off the list of things to do that is ever growing and never being completed. We are doing a harness bar today, so I don't know if you've seen, but the race seat is in and I've just got the normal seat belt. It's not safe, it's not comfortable, and today I don't even have the harnesses with me. They're at Andre's shop, which is a bit of a disappointment, but we'll do the harness bar today, so then I can put the actual harnesses in shortly. This is amazing. This is real pretty. 750 horsepower, you say, eh?
That's what they say.
750. He's just getting scared of mine, so now his clutch is broken and he needs a new turbo, everything. Hello. You missed me. Is this version 1?
Yeah, that one is going on. That's actually the one that we bought today. It's the performance upgrade. Climbing into this small seat. Jeez. Is this enough bolstering for you here?
Eh?
Is this enough bolstering?
Yeah, it is like it's fine. I'm a small dude.
Alright, so let's see. What's this vehicle all about?
Every time. You can literally hear the turbo spool. Come through randomly. It was for a very specific reason.
It was well planned.
That is not long enough.
No, there's more. Right next to it, there's more.
There's no ways. It's too short. It's my fun with it. Yeah, it's my money pit and fun project and whatever you want to call it.
Let's see how this thing goes.
Forward, dude. All the metal in the back is gonna go everywhere. So essentially, harness bar is gonna go at the back here. I don't know if you can see these little. Yes. You just click the button.
Undo it.
Just click it. Yeah, and then pull that. There we go. Good man.
It's too complicated.
Are you sure you have nothing that's long enough? That's so sad that it doesn't make
it's not sad at all. It's pretty sweet.
material.
I got everything. I got it.
Sure.
Yeah.
You sure?
Everything.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, so as it usually goes, it's been 2 hours. We haven't done a single thing other than take the car apart. Yeah, DriftBucket. Anyways, basically the story is that the bolts that we have are not the right thread because Japanese cars use like a very small, like thin thread. So essentially we're measuring it up. We're going to make the entire harness bar. We're going to do one side because I have a bolt. And then I'm going to go tomorrow and get another bolt and actually put it in, and then the harness bar will be in, and then I'll probably go and pick up the harnesses and actually put them in, and everything will be sharp. But for now, we need to make... Now we're actually going to make it. So 7 million welds later, we have half of it done. Yeah, it's getting there. I'm excited. We're gonna drill some holes.
I mean, do you want, it depends, what angle do you want this thing to be at?
I want the angle that saves lives.
That one's strong.
We've lost all daylight. It's super dark outside. And there's not much else that's gonna happen. So pretty much we'll just finish it up now, and then I will film the rest of the install tomorrow when we have light and it's done and I've got the right bolts. And for you guys it's a second, for us it's a night. Sweet. Okay, it's the next day. We are going to finish the beautiful, this is done. We just need to make a few holes over here. More measuring, more drilling, more putting, more installing. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so after a very successful first install, we've realized that the tabs that we added, it doesn't make sense to have them in any case because they don't provide any extra added support. They literally just look nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these little bolts in to keep the plastic in place, that little like shrouding, and then we're going to cut these off, install the bar, and I'll only really show you once the harnesses are actually in, which I'll get from Andre tomorrow, and that'll probably form part of like the Drift City prep video because I need to do my roof and I need to put a wing back on, and then yeah, that'll be that. Okay, well, some angle grinding and some finessing, we have got it in. It's fast there, it's fast there, it's nice and strong, it looks good. I think it's going to be real cool. And then we'll just have our harness bars, our harnesses will go through here, come down here, and then they'll connect to the harnesses coming out here. Sweet! Thank you so much for all your work. I do appreciate it. It looks quite sick for a DIY job. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Drop a like if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, you're awesome. Continue being awesome, and I will see you in the next video.